In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a snowfall effect to your Shopify store. We'll start by finding the right app. Open the Shopify App Store in your browser and use the search bar to type snow effect. You'll see several options, and some popular ones include Snowify, Nice Snow, Snowfall Effect, and GM Snow Effect. Take a moment to skim the listings, check ratings and reviews, and look at screenshots to see how the effect appears in real stores. If you're using a newer Shopify theme, it's also helpful to glance at the app description to confirm it supports sections, as that can make setup easier. Once you've chosen the app you want, click into its page and select Add App or Install. You'll be prompted to connect it to your Shopify store and approve the permissions it needs to run. Follow the on-screen instructions. Most of these apps guide you through a short setup process, and installation usually takes less than a minute. When the install completes, you'll see the app listed in your Shopify admin under Apps. Next, customize the effect so it matches your brand and doesn't slow down your site. Open the app from your Shopify admin and look for settings such as snowflake size, speed, density, and where the effect appears. A lighter density and moderate speed often look more professional and keep pages smooth, especially on mobile devices. If the app allows it, choose where the snow should display. Common options include the home page only, all pages, or specific templates. Use the preview feature if the app provides one, and check both desktop and mobile views to make sure the animation is subtle and not distracting. Some apps, especially those designed for newer themes, will ask you to add the effect as a section. To do that, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Navigate to your homepage or the page where you want the animation. Click Add section and search for the snow animation or seasonal effects section the app provides. Add it to your layout, place it where you want, and fine-tune any settings visible in the theme editor. Save your changes, then preview the store to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You found a snow effect app, installed it, customized the settings, and, if needed, added it to your theme as a section. Publish when you're happy and enjoy that festive touch on your storefront.